Hello guys, welcome back to part 2 of how to make this Chrome dinosaur game. Last video I taught you guys how to make the dinosaur run, basically the costumes, and also told you guys how to make the spike costume, and I also covered how to make the spikes move from this side all the way to that side. So this is what we got to last time. This is in the spikes, and this is in for the dinosaur, and as you can see, this is all we had. And you can see an issue. Once the spike moves to this side, it just stays there for the rest of the duration until you click the stop. And then it goes back when you click the green flag again. And that's not supposed to happen because, as you know, in the Chrome dinosaur game, you jump over the spikes first of all, and that we will cover in another episode. But the spikes, they should not be staying there. They should make clones, and then the spikes just go from this edge all the way to there, and then again, and so on. So now we're gonna do exactly that today. So in this, you want to separate this first of all. Put the show on that repeat part loop. And now put the go to part on the green flag. Now, just to make this like more fun, do a forever, wait seconds, go to operators, pick random from, you honestly could do any time, but what I did was 1.5 to 2.5 seconds. So now, after that, you want to do create clone of myself. So then when we go to here, when I start as a clone, we do all that. But then, now what it's going to do is it's going to create a clone, but then the original form would just still show and it would be here. So you want to do a hide after the green flag. And then now what it's going to do is the clones, it's just going to all go here and it won't be gone. So after this, you want to do a delete this clone. So now, as you can see, when it touches it, it deletes. And you can also see that it touches, goes over there, it deletes, and it comes again. Keeps on coming. You may think you could just adjust the time if you think it's a little short. So you could adjust it to 1 second, to like, for example, 2 seconds, and now it's going to be faster, as you can see. There's more spikes and it would make the game harder, but that's just your decision for the wait time. So now, next, what we want to do, it's just not really like fun because it's just kind of boring because it's just one spike. So go to costumes in the spike and then press duplicate, and then now do like a box and then do Command C. Well, like basically you could use the copy and paste tool, but I'm using a MacBook, so I'm using a MacBook Air, so it's Command C and then Command V. And then now you want to put those two spikes together. Try your best to make them aligned. And then now you want to group them, kind of. Do that. And then you could do group. And then now you can see that it's just two things. Now you want to drag it to the middle. So now, if you do show, they're both on the line, as you can see. So now it's a little more fun to look at since, you can see it's just 2 spikes. But as you can see, there's a problem. It's only just 2 spikes since that's the costume we're on in the costume section. So when I start as a clone, that do switch costume, you duplicate this to pick random from 1 to 2. So now, as you can see, it's just that's a 2 spike, 1 spike, 1 spike, 2 spike, and then a 1 spike. So now it's kind of boring because there's no score and it's just unlimited. So go to valuables, make a valuable, do score. Okay, so now that we have the score, pull out the score. Oh, sorry about this. I'm just gonna delete that. No, and also this, I don't know why it's here. And so make a valuable, do score for all sprites. So now, as you can see, there's the score valuable here. So now, every time this obstacle touches the edge, it should give you a point. And since you didn't touch it, basically, because it got to the other side, then you deserve a point. So in between the end of the repeat loop and delete the clone, do change score by 1. And when green flag clicked, set score by till 0. So now, as you can see, if you let the spikes go to the other side, it adds a score. And that's it for this video. So see you next video. See ya. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and please leave a like down below. It really helps out. See ya in the next episode, episode 3.